their homes, their families, their pets, their plants, everybody warm. But buyers beware, some of those supplies that you may be searching for could be getting a little scarce by now.
Indeed, they could. And News Channel 5's Jason Hackett's live at a Home Depot in Jupiter to show you one item in high demand tonight. Jason?
Yeah, guys, when it comes to certain cold weather items, there's no problem finding them here at the Home Depot. You have firewood, you have this kindling, and over here you have these tabletop patio heaters. So plenty of these, but when it comes to a certain other item, not so much. Here's a sign that the cold weather supply run has begun in South Florida.
Right here. Completely out. Unfortunately, yes.
At the Home Depot in Jupiter, you'll be hard-pressed to find a space heater.
Where's a portable space heater?
Customers are crisscrossing the aisles only to find empty shelves where the suddenly hot item used to be.
Everybody's extremely low at this point due to the demand.
Store manager Daniel Grund estimates he's sold well over 100 in the last 24 hours. And it's not just the heaters that folks are grabbing up.
Patio heaters, firewood, and so forth. So pretty extreme. Traffic has been extremely heavy in those items.
We found Ryan Hicks among the traffic.
I've got some firewood here. I've got a fireplace that I never use. Figure it's getting down to 30 degrees, so put it to good use tonight.
He's not necessarily looking forward to the frigid temps.
Well, there's a reason I live down in Florida. It's not for the cold weather.
But he says it could be worse. We could be dealing with this.
This time of year, you leave Palm Beach, it's 87. You fly somewhere, it's -7, so it's good to live down here.
And Home Depot tells me they're not sure when they're getting more space heaters, as the high demand is creating a little bit of uncertainty. We're live in Jupiter tonight. Jason Hackett, WPTV News Channel 5.